Hey, let me show you how you can mirror from your Samsung Galaxy S26 into your TV. So first of all, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Samsung S26 and on your TV. And right now, what we have to do is just to go for the connected devices. Now we have to scroll for Samsung Smart View. And here we have to just wait until our TV appears here on that list. So as you can see, I have Samsung TV, but it also works for other brands. But if you have the Chromecast TV, you have to click on the three dots and go for settings, and you have to enable in the labs Chromecast support, because without this, you will be not able to be connected. And also additional option, allow all apps to be cast. Now just go for your TV list, select your TV, like so. And in the most cases, you will also get pairing request, so you will have to just simply confirm with your remote controller. And in most cases, it will be visible in the right upper corner on in the middle of the screen. But as you can see right now, we are mirroring the S26 and on my TV. That's actually the Samsung TV.